So why the course? As I said, we believe in the current trends in the pharma industry that we need to use the technologies we have here. It's more complex to make some of the molecules we are doing or the devices we are making, and to make it the best way, why not use all those technologies? Some of the industries here has still some old way of doing things, and there is new ways of doing it. However, it can be a challenge to get started, and this is what we want to help you and hopefully a few of your colleagues from your company to come in and say, how can we do this in a better way? How can we learn from some of the front runners that has been doing this already? And we can give you, and there will be a lot of do's and don'ts. A few of the do's could be sure that you try to start with small projects and not making it too big. And of course, there's going to be some setbacks, but if you keep on working with it, it's going to be. And I think we have always seen that somebody came with some smart things, some VR glasses or something that now is laying somewhere and collecting dust. So what we will try to help you is that the people that had this experience and have overcome this can learn to you how to get further on this. Some of the key things is the IoT. How do you get all this information? And one of the big advantages is that now it's possible to select and retrieve and work with all this technology. And one of the most important things of this is how do you share it with the right people, both internally and externally? So apart from doing a knowledge on what is the possibility from a technical point of view, a big part of the course will be user cases where people will share that. Another important part is to involve the users. So how do we involve the users that is going to use it on a daily basis? What is the interfaces? And also, and especially in this time, we have to take care of the security. How do we ensure that it's only the right people that is going to work with this? And one of the formulas that has worked for me at least is that success is not only how good the idea is, because you can get a lot of good ideas, but if you don't get any acceptance, then you're not getting accepted. So good ideas and high acceptance, then you're going to have accept. That's what we want to share with you on this course.
So this is a drawing, and if you join the course, I'll at least speak more to this, but this is kind of like the vision at Fujifilm Dyson Biotechnologies. This is around the core of what we do. We do a lot of experiments around the sub-departments, but this is core in our operations. So this is about driving an idea into production, driving a drug. It's about producing that and doing it digitally, and it's about releasing it in time, and it's about sharing data. So we want to make sure that whatever we do in digitalization is about reducing that lead time from an idea and into that we actually can serve it to patients. And just this timeline, this drawing shows actually something that is 12 months or longer. If we have a client that needs to transfer into production, that will take 9 months or more to set that into production. It takes approximately a month to produce, but it will take additional 2 months to release that product. In all, that's 1 year. And if it's a cure for a rare disease, cancer or some sort, 1 year is a long time. So we want to drive this. And we do this by digitalizing the tech transfer of our products, by removing paper at our shop floor and helping the operators. It's about ensuring quality and compliance and integrity of data so we can release faster. And it's about sharing this data to the value of the operator. It's for the management teams to have oversight, but it's also for clients to share and to compare data to see how we can do better.
You can see here that you need to register on the Atrium webpage, and it is all written here on the page where you need to go. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me in person. You can see my mobile number, my mail address on this slide as well. So I look very much forward to see you soon again, hopefully, and thank you for listening in. Have a nice day. Bye.